Liking the sentiment, or are we only to the head of man? Just we are just prayer. So I told the one by your power. Oh my God, I do what I do. Oh my God, we are. Are we to be praised by prayer? No. As we benefited, but are we benefited by praying? Yes, we benefit by praying. Why? The desire which goes forth, hungering after righteousness, is blessed by our job. Highly high, our Father bless us, no matter what we say or do, but we must be faithful and be trusted and know the way that I and I, as the children of the Most High, have no difference. This is what the brother was saying. If I take your shirt, and you come and ask me who will belong to this, I say I. Then he comes and say who belongs to that, he say I. Then that one comes, who belongs to this, he say I. He say why is it I have all? He say yeah, because we are I and I. As the children of the Most High. So Jah himself say I am that I am. So I and I as the children of the Most High. We want to go back to look at Moses' face, but Moses don't live today. Bingi lives today. You want to see Joseph, but Joseph don't live today. Bingi lives today. You don't love the Bingi you see, but you love the Joseph whom you don't see. And you are a liar. You don't have Bingi whom you see, but you want to have Jesus Christ whom you have not seen. For Bingi, you don't know him, but you know Mary Magdalene. You know Joshua. You know everybody. But the one who sits with you, you don't know. How can you be Christian? Therefore, he said, be truthful to yourself. And let your prayer be prayerful and guide you. Don't pray the prayer of vanity. Don't request from Jah, because Jah already know your request. Only give thanks and pray.